Hey everyone! Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into a machine that's turning heads and tearing up roads, the 2026 Suzuki RMZ1050. Whether you're into high-performance rides, sharp design, or next-gen tech, this one deserves your attention. Let's take a closer look and see if it lives up to the hype. Design. First off, the design. Suzuki went bold here. The RMZ1050 blends classic aggression with sleek, modern lines. The updated frame is leaner, lighter, and more aerodynamic, giving it serious street presence without looking overstyled. The twin LED headlamps, sharp tail section, and clean bodywork are all dialed in. Suzuki clearly wanted this bike to stand out whether it's parked or flying down the highway. Performance. Now on to performance, and it's where the 1050 really wakes up. Powered by a newly refined 1050 cubic centimeters V-twin, this bike puts out a smooth but punchy 125 horsepower. It's responsive, fast, and surprisingly comfortable on longer rides. Throttle response is sharp but civilized, and the 6-speed gearbox slides through shifts like butter. Whether you're carving up backroads or hitting the city streets, the RMZ delivers balance and adrenaline. Features and tech. But what about tech? Suzuki didn't skimp here either. The RMZ1050 comes standard with ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and a full-color TFT display. There's also Bluetooth connectivity, built-in navigation, and even smartphone mirroring for calls and music on the go. Rider-focused tech that actually makes sense. Now that's something we always love to see. Conclusion. All in all, the 2026 Suzuki RMZ1050 is everything a modern street bike should be: fast, smart, and fun without losing that raw, mechanical connection we all crave. Suzuki is clearly back in the game, and they're not messing around. So what do you think? Would you ride one? Let's talk in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest looks at the latest rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.